Welcome to Mamelodi Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please make sure that you subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button and make sure that you help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. This is Mamelodi Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versted, Mamelodi Sundowns 3. Oh, no, 3. Sekhukhune North. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, thanks, man. Yeah, how do you feel about the game tonight?
We played a very good game after a while. I think the coach is finally seeing the light. As yes, the supporters we want there, because like the coach was trying to change a lot of things from last season's team, so it wasn't working for us. As you can see of the results. So today we played a very good game because we can see we have possession going forward, and we did not let the other team attack us for long. So I'm very happy with the performance today. Yes.
And who was your man of the match tonight?
I've got a very few men of the matches. Malibonga Koza played a very good game today. Number 6 Mudiwa played a very good game. Sales also played. Yes, the best played today. I don't wanna lie.
Yeah, most of them. It's difficult to pick only one.
Yeah, it's very difficult. As you can see, Reynas is also playing. So credit to the coach, because like his strengths are in different positions. So like we are getting there. So I think the league is ours. Yeah.
Do you think you're gonna take this league?
Very well. So we'll go on parity. We'll lose the points as we go. Yeah. So
but you must beat them first, because if you can depend on other team and you keep losing to other team and you also lose to them, that's where Pirates will make sure that they are on the race.
Yeah, I know, but I think we'll beat them, Pirates, because like we are fixing, as I said, because like the combinations are going very well. Offensive wasn't working for us, so possession football. So Pirates, I don't think they will match us. We've got very much talent in the bench, so and they also depend on one squad, so I don't think they will match us, Pirates.
No, thank you so much, my brother. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you for subscribing. Please make sure that you keep subscribing if you haven't subscribed, and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much.